Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. On behalf of all of us at Rich Surgical and Genesis MedTech, I'd like to welcome and thank you for joining us in this special occasion. So 2020 was a year unlike any other. Humanity faced the single most challenging public health crisis in a century. The safety of our community is of the utmost importance to us, and Rich Surgical was among the first to reach out to our customers and parties with PPEs and other essential supplies. We have continued to support surgical communities with virtual congresses and have kept the discussion alive on the internet. The response has been overwhelming and heartwarming, and we couldn't be prouder to be part of that initiative. Rich Surgical has long been a trusted ally of the surgical community with outstanding performing products and trusted quality. We have dedicated our work to provide new products and solutions to surgeons, help them to perform more efficiently and deliver improved outcome. Let's take a look at the first one. The iReach Magnum unveils a new chapter in surgical stapling. To tell you more about the breakthrough designs and features, here's James.
Thank you, Eric. Hello, everyone. It's my pleasure to tell you more about the powerful features of iReach Magnum and how it can facilitate your practice. When we started designing iReach Magnum, we didn't want to just make another powered stapler. We challenged our engineering team and set out an ambitious goal to make a stapler that provides the best stapling experience. To achieve that goal, significant improvements have been made in 4 key aspects: design, compression, firing, and blade. So let's start with design. The iReach Magnum has a contemporary silhouette. The weight distribution is carefully balanced to give steadiness in your hand. The rotation is smooth, and the articulation has a maximum angle of 55 degrees, which allows more access and flexibility in confined spaces. A battery indicator light is placed on the top of the stapler to give clear indication, so you don't have to guess about the status of the battery. All these design decisions that we have implemented make the stapler a very capable tool in the surgeon's hands. Tissue compression is very important to staple formation. While there's a consensus among members of the healthcare community about the benefit of compression before firing, some surgeons have trouble determining the time for compression. iReach Magnum offers an audible sound when the jaws have been closed for 15 seconds. The surgeon can follow the audible guide instead of having to count by themselves. The use of this function is totally optional. A surgeon can decide if more time or less time is needed before firing. In addition, a safety button has been added to the side. a surgeon needs to press the button to disengage the safety mechanism and start firing. This also eliminates the possibility of a misfire and enhances safety. When you fire the stapler, the microchip inside dynamically monitors resistance signals and adjusts the speed of firing so you have a unified and consistent staple formation. The blade is of utmost importance when cutting tissue. iReach Magnum uses the same Endo 3 cartridge that has the blade in the cartridge, not inside the stapler. When you have the blade in the stapler and the stapler is used multiple times, you create many problems. The smoothness of the edge of the blade may be compromised as notches can occur on the blade. And when there is a tumorous tissue involved, the risk of cross-contamination and tumor metastasis increases significantly. When you compare that to the disposable blade design in iReach Magnum, the differences and benefits of the latter are quite obvious. Available in 2 staple lengths and 3 shaft lengths, the iReach Magnum reconstructs the Endo 3 platform to become a modern and powerful stapling tool. We can't wait to see what the surgeons can do with it. Back to you, Eric.
Thank you, James. A good stapling tool makes big difference in the OR. Another important tool for surgeons is an energy device. The SoundReach ultrasound system from Reach Surgical has been a trusted tool for surgeons for many years. And today, we want to announce the new generation for our ultrasound devices. To tell you more about the SoundReach 8000 system, so let me hand over to James.
Thank you, Eric. The 8000 generator and PD shears mark a bold advance in ultrasonic devices for Reach Surgical. We listened to the requests and suggestions from surgeons, and the 8000 system is the answer for the next decade. The SoundReach 8000 system is comprised of the 8000 generator, the TRA6 transducer, and the PD series shears. The generator features a brand new contemporary design. It has a much slimmer profile to fit into more spaces, a touchscreen interface that offers an intuitive user experience, and multiple language choices are also available to accommodate our users around the world. The combination of the PD shear, the transducer, and the 8000 generator enables new functions such as Tissue Sense, a technology that dynamically adjusts the energy output in accordance with tissue thickness. Advanced hemostasis supports up to 5 mm vessel sealing, with 7 mm vessel sealing capabilities coming shortly. We believe that the 8000 system is an ideal choice for energy platforms, and we look forward to seeing it in more practices in the future. over the past few months, we have been asking surgeons around the world to try out the iReach Magnum and the 8000 system. And here is what they had to say.
On a un très bon niveau de coupe, avec, on a essayé les différents chargeurs, que ce soit le bleu, le vert, le blanc et le gold. On a un très très bonne ligne d'agrafe et l'agrafage paraît d'excellente qualité. Après, pour ce qui est de l'appareil à ultrasons, on l'avait déjà essayé à la clinique, il n'y a aucun problème. On a une très bonne, pas thermofusion, mais une très bonne coagulation, une très bonne section des tissus. Voilà, sans problème.
Motorized stapling is an advanced one. I guess it's perfectly ready and used, and it's very nice. The fitting is very nice. The design of the stapler is very nice. So the safety should be accordingly outstanding as well. And we have a nice gathering here with surgeons from France and from Germany, and the fitting has been very good.
Performed this morning the first using with the power stapler from Riche. Very good device, no problem, very good stapling, very easy to use. The nurse can change very easily the reload, and I am very happy to be the first using in Europe. Thank you, Rich.
A great thanks to the outstanding work of the engineering team, and our gratitude goes to the experts who tested these devices. Their opinions played a vital role in the development process, and their input have made our products even better. Back to you, Eric.
What a great day! We introduced two phenomenal new products, iReach Magnum and Sunreach 8000 system. Two powerful tools that can help surgeons in the new chapter for surgery. We can't wait to see the surgeons around the world can achieve with them. Thank you, stay safe, and we hope to see you soon.